Hello guys, and today I'll show you how to make the multi-line chart in Visual C Sharp. So to begin, I've got just a form with nothing in it, so I'll go to Toolbox and search for chart first and add a chart here. Then go to properties of chart and change the chart series to chart type to line chart. Come on, the top. Yep, there you go, line chart. Okay, so after that we will go to the code. To go to the code, just press F7 and we'll add the code here, because I'm not adding any sort of button or anything. I'm just initializing straight away, so I won't add the code here. I'll just create a new method and call the method in the form one. So void chart load, and in here chart load. So I'm gonna go back to form and change the name of the chart to, it's fine, leave it there. You gotta change the name of the chart and give it the suitable name. Okay, so in here what we will do is var chart. First we will assign the chart to chart name dot chart areas 0, then chart dot axis x dot interval type is equal to date time interval type dot number. Then set the chart properties, chart dot x-axis dot label style dot format is equal to string, and same for the axis y. Then chart dot axis x dot label style dot is and visible is equal to true. Then chart dot axis x dot minimum, so minimum would be the 0. Chart dot axis y dot minimum is equal to 0, and for the maximum, what values you want, chart dot axis, or you can leave the maximum values default, so it will go the top as the value gets the value increases, so it will get the highest value. So we don't need a chart dot maximum, so we need the chart dot interval. So what would be the interval between each value? So if it's 1, then what would be the next value? So like 2, 3, so I would just leave it as 0.5 and chart dot axis y, here make it x dot interval is equal to 10. I don't know. Okay, so then chart dot series chart 1, so here we're calling the chart 1, not this variable, chart 1 dot series. So we can get the series, which is 0 dot is visible in legend is equal to false, otherwise it will show the series variable at the top, which we don't want. Okay, so after that we'll add the series to the chart. So chart 1 dot series dot add, so just give any name. I'll give name gums. Then chart 1 dot series, make sure the names are correct, the same, dot chart type is equal to series chart type dot line. again chart1 dot series comes dot color is equal to, give the color what you want. Make sure you don't give yellow because it looks like invisible. So okay, so we have added the first series. If we hit try, let's see what happens. Nothing happens, but there's comes because we haven't added any values in the chart. So I'm gonna copy all these 3 lines and paste it here too, so we can add a new series. So I'm gonna choose Control C, Control V, Control V, and this time I'm gonna give it blue. Hit play. I hope we can see choice 2. Sure. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the values. So first value would be the chart1 dot series. I'm gonna add the values to comes dot points dot add x y. So I'm gonna give the first value 1 comma 2. So this format is string, but it supports string, integer, and all the basic values, basic sort of variables or types. So I'm gonna copy this whatever times you want to. So I'm gonna give 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, then 3.5, 4. Let's see what happens now. You can see it starts from 1, goes to 3.5, and it's changing. It's because it's 10, so we can't see much of a difference. So I'll change this to 1 or 2. Okay, then we got, I'm gonna copy all these and paste and change the names to choose and change the values 3, 5, 5, 7, 10. These are just the temporary example values. I'm not sure what values you will put, and I'm gonna enter 20, then 24. Let's hit enter. Okay, so I've got 2 series. One of course ends at 3.5, the second one ends at 24. Okay, so this is how to add multi-line chart. So basically this is just the basic example. I know it's not that good as it's supposed to be, but with the loops and stuff you can make the chart as good as you want to. So yep, that's it from me. If you guys have any question, please leave in the comments below. I'll try my best to explain, and if you guys want to learn a bit more about the chart, just follow my channel, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.